Welcome back to Halfmoon Tech Labs. I'm going to show you how we actually can beer. Check this out. So here's the empty cans. They go into the sanitizer. This is just Star San and water. After they come out of that, we're going to take a can out of the sanitizer. We're going to use the beer gun to fill it. I use this little bucket right here to catch all the junk. Pull the lid out of there when the foam comes over the top. First I put a blast of CO2 in there, then I fill it from the bottom up with a beer gun. That's this thing right here in the holster. And you'll see that in just a second. And then once the beer foam overflows the top, you stop, put a lid on it, and then seam it. We're going to take the same kind of can and lid they use in the real breweries. Pull it out of the sanding solution. Take my beer gun. Blast of CO2 first. Get all the air out of the can. Then push down. There's a little poppet on the end of that beer wand that will start the beer flowing. So now it's actually flowing from the bottom up. If you can take a look inside the can. Watch the foam coming up. Nice. I have my lid ready. The idea is to now displace all the CO2 in the can with beer and beer foam. When it's at the top like that, put the lid on, hold it carefully, move it over to the Oktober seamer. Turn it on. 2 operations. First operation. Second operation. 1001, 1002. That's it. That's the seaming operation. And it's good to give it a rinse. Invert the can, give it a little squeeze, make sure that it's not a leaker. Looks good. That's it. That's how we can beer. All right, we started with these 2 corny kegs, 5 gallons apiece. They are now empty and full of Sanny. We're all cleaned up here. The Oktober seamer did a great job, and we ended up with, get this, out of a possible 80 pints from 10 gallon starting volume, we got 72, 73, 74. 74 out of 80s, about 92, 93%. So there we go. We've got 74 pints of Imperial Stout, canned and ready to consume. You know what? That sounds great. All right, the moment of truth. Cheers. Yeah. Thanks for tuning in to Halfmoon Tech Labs. We'll see you.